Dear student, in this video we will solve some more numerical problems based on normality and molarity. Question number 1. 100 milliliters of yarn by 10 H2SO4, 50 milliliter of yarn by 5 HNO3 and 200 milliliter of yarn by 25 hydrochloric acid are mixed to each other. Find the normality of mixture. Here all the three acids are mixed to each other. Hence, we will find total volume of the mixture. So V is equal to volume of first plus volume of second plus volume of third. Thus the volume of first is 100 ml. At second number component is nitric acid and volume of nitric acid, that is second component is 50 ml. The 100 plus 50 plus at third number, third acid is HCl. The volume of HCl at third number is 200 milliliter. So we will write here 200 milliliter. Sum of these 350 milliliter. When normality of any solution is multiplied by its corresponding volume, then gram equivalent is obtained. Now normality of H2SO4 will be multiplied by volume of H2SO4. Particular normality, particular volume. So now gram equivalent of all these three components are added and compare with the gram equivalent of the mixture. So now we will write N1 V1, 1 means for first component. At first position H2SO4 is present. N1 V1 plus N2 V2 for second. Here HNO3 is as the second component plus N3 V3. 3 means component of third number. Here HCl is third component equal to normality of mixture into volume of mixture. The normality of first is N by 10. We will write only 1 by 10. N is not written into 100. For second, volume is 50. Normality is 1 by 5. And for third, normality is 1 upon 25. N is symbol for the normality. N is not written in the calculation. N by 25 means we will write only 1 upon 25. So 1 upon 25 into 2000 equal to N into total volume 350. 5 10 50. and 25 8 जा 200. So now we have 10 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 350 yarn. 28 is equal to 350 yarn. So yarn is equal to 28 upon 350. That would be normality of the mixture. So thus it implies that yarn is equal to 28 upon 350. This is our answer. Next question. Suppose we have to prepare dilute acid. For dilution, acid is added in water. Water is not added in acid. Sulfuric acid is highly hygroscopic in nature. If we add few drops of water in sulfuric acid, acid will jump up to our face, up to our cloth, and bad effects are set up. It is always remember that for dilution, acid is added in water. Water is not added in acid. The next question related to the dilution. Question: how much water should be added in 50 milliliter of 10 yarn H2SO4 to make the normality yarn by 10, that is decimolar, decinormal. For this we will compare gram equivalent. When normality is multiplied with the corresponding volume, gram equivalent is obtained. N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Solution whose normality is known called standard solution, and solution whose normality is unknown called unknown solution or non-standard solution. So here normality and volume both are known for the H2SO4. So before dilution, our part is of the LHS, and after dilution, after addition in water, our part is right hand side RHS. So before dilution, normality of the H2SO4 is 10 and volume of H2SO4 is 50. So we will write 10 for normality and 50 for the volume before dilution for H2SO4. After this, when dilution is done, when it is mixed in water, we have to set up the normality N by 10. So for N by 10 we will write here 1 by 10. And V2 is the final value. So we will find here value of V2. 500 is equal to 1 by 10 into V2. V2 is equal to, here cross multiplication will occur, 10 will be multiplied with the 500, so here value will be 5000 milliliter. The 5000 milliliter is the total volume. Total volume means volume of water and volume of acid both. Here we have to find out only volume of water. How much water is added? So here V2 indicates additional volume, that in which volume of water and volume of H2SO4 both present. So how much volume of water here? For this we will subtract V1 from V2. That is, initial volume of the acid will be subtracted from the final volume from V2. The volume of water is equal to V2 minus V1. 5000 minus 50. This will be equal to 4950 milliliter. Or 4.95 liter. It may also be written as 4.95 liter. 1 liter contains 100 milliliter. Next question. Related to your practical in 12. Comparison between molarity or comparison between normality. Same sense are involved. If molarity is compared, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2, and if normalities are compared, then we write N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Question. 75 milliliter of azelaic acid solution requires 25 ml of N by 20 potassium permanganate solution for complete oxidation. Find out strength of azelaic acid solution. Dear student, just few minutes before I had told you that solution whose normality is known called standard solution, and solution whose normality is unknown called unknown solution. So here normality of potassium permanganate KMnO4 is given. Hence solution of potassium permanganate is known as standard solution. On other hand, here only volume of azelaic acid is given. Normality of organic acid is not given. Hence, solution of organic acid is known as unknown solution. So here we will compare gram equivalent on the basis of known solution, unknown solution. That is, N1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. If molarity is given, if question is given in the term of molarity, then we write M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. But here normality is given, so we will write N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. So one side belong to the standard or known solution, and other side belong to the non-standard or unknown solution. So suppose we choose LHS for the known solution, means for the KMnO4 solution. The normality of KMnO4 is N by 20, but we will write only 1 by 20. N is not written. So 1 by 20 into corresponding volume 25. This is equal to normality of unknown solution. So we have to find the normality of organic acid. Means we have to calculate the N2. The N2 is written same as beginning N2. No change in N2. And V2 volume of unknown solution, volume of organic acid is 75. It is 75. When we find the value of N2, its multiplicand, that is 75, will come at the denominator of this. So N2 is equal to 1 by 20 into 25 upon 75, 1 upon 60. So thus normality of organic acid is equal to 1 upon 60. We have to find here strength. So when normality is multiplied with equivalent weight, or molarity is multiplied by molar mass, strength is obtained in both cases. The next step is strength of organic acid equal to normality into equivalent weight. 1 upon 60 into 63. Equivalent weight of organic acid is 63. So 63 upon 60. This is equal to 1.05 unit gram per liter.